This is Irontrader. It is Thursday morning. So we're going to take a look here at crude oil, natural gas. But first of all, we're going to take a look here at the U.S. dollar. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the DXY, which is basically the U.S. dollar. Now you can see here what a nice rally we had all the way from 100 all the way to 108.07 here. Okay, so really good rally going on here. Now, you can see on this chart here, this is why you want to trade the charts. Look how nice this is holding here, okay? See this 21-day moving all the way on up here, the 50 days curling all the way up here. Very nice here, okay? So we're holding this 21-day here very nicely. But now you can see where this 8-day is starting to roll over here. So we're going to come right here. We're almost like a wedge shape going on here, okay? So we're at the bottom looking at 106.20, and at the top there, we're looking at 106.35. Okay, so we got the old wedgie going. So let's take a look at the upside first. So if it can close above that 106.35, then we're going to do is we're going to come up to the top of this level here. You're looking at 106.60, okay? Then we'll come up to the top there. You're looking at 106.72, and then we just follow the candles up here. You're looking at 106.92. Then always go to the left there. Okay, that's 107.06, and then we just follow the candles up there, 107.50, and then we have your big retest at 108.07. But the dollar is extremely strong here now, okay? Now, on the downside here, you want to watch this 21-day, 106.20. If not, then we'll come right here to the bottom of this candle, 106.01. We'll come over here at 105.82, and then we can come down all the way down here, down to 105.61, okay? And then what you want to do is always look to the left, 105.44 level going on right there, and then we can come all the way down here to your 105.57. So the reason why you want to always look at this candle head here for support and resistance is because this is where the run-up was. It came on down, and that's where the breakout was. So now that provides good support levels or resistant levels. Okay, so always look to the left of those charts. That's why you want to use these blue lines of price channels. Makes life a lot easier because it, boom, you just look at right where's the old notch. Okay, now you can see here where we have have massive strength here. Now we're kind of pulling back on the side here. Your green is over your red, so we got to see how this is all going to shake out here over time. Now, when you look at this dollar here, like on a weekly chart, you can see where we have this sideways action and the momentum. Okay, and then finally it busted out here. Now again, if you can climb right back up here and get above that 108.07 level here, well then we have other targets. Okay, see what you're doing? And so this was the target that we're looking for here, 107.99. You came in at 108.07, so you came in very close to that. Then what we do is we're looking at the bottom of this candle right here. You're looking at 109.53, and then we're looking at the bottom of the candle there. You're looking at 110.42. Then we can come all the way up here to 111.27, and then we just follow the candles up here to bring the price channels right across. Okay, what we got here? We got 113.14. We bring this other price channel across here at 113.94, and then your big retest there at 114.77 here level. Okay, now Trump already gave notice here to all these BRICS that if they want to trade, they are not going to be trading these oil in anything but U.S. dollars here. Okay, so sometimes you trade it in the yuan or and all these different kind of and rubles, and God knows what they're trading in. But he's going to want to insist that that's going to be the U.S. dollar. So the U.S. dollar is extremely strong right now here. So if you're trading this here, just watch that 21-day on the downside, watch that 8-day on the upside. We got that wedge going here. You crack above it, well, we know where we're going. You crack below it. We follow the candles all the way down until we get down to that 50-day at 104.38. Okay, let's take a look here now at crude oil and natural gas. Okay, here we have crude oil daily chart, natural gas daily chart. Now you can see here yesterday we had this big ass red candle. However, we did make a higher high and a higher low yesterday. Okay, now today so far here we had a low of 68.40. Yesterday we had that low of 68.49. So we made just about 9 cents lower here on the low here so far. Okay, so let's look at the downside here first. So what you're going to be doing is watching yesterday's low, that's 69.49. Obviously today that's 68.40. I mean, yeah, yesterday 68.49, and then today 68.40, and then we're going to come right down to the bottom of these candles right here. Okay, so then you're looking at 68.18, and we're going to look at the bottom there at 67.91, and this is going to be the key level right there at 67.71. This is what's really is holding up all these candles right there. Okay, so that's what you're going to be looking for. Now, obviously, if that's lost here, then we can just follow it down. 67.28 here. We got 68.82, and then here's your target at 66.53 level, and then below that is 65.27. But if you look at a seasonality chart there, you really want to buy this here about the first week of December here and run it up to the first couple of days in January. We got to see if it's going to trade plan out again. Now, again, if you want anything to do with seasonality charts, just go to equityclock.com. It's all right there. I can go on my playlist. I got them right there. I got also on my playlist. I got for candlesticks, if you want to learn how to trade candlesticks or chart patterns, everything is right there for you at your convenience. Okay, upside here, this is what we're looking for here. It's going to be this 68.86. We're just a little bit above that right now. We need to hold that, and then right above that is we have this 21-day sitting at 69.23 level, okay? Now, again, if we can get above that, then we're going to be looking at the top of this candle here. You're looking at 69.69, and it will come up here to 70.23, and then 70.38. This is the target that you're actually what's going to be looking for here. Now, again, you break that, we have this candle right here at 71.51, and then we have your 100-day and then your retest. But right now here, we just have this sideways range going on here. Now, remember that OPEC meeting, excuse me, is today at should be all day. So we got to see how that's all going to shake out here. So you got to be very, very attentive there to the news today, because it's going to be all about the old OPEC and what kind of cuts. Are they going to make a 3-month cut here or a 6-month cut here? What are they going to do? Because the prices are way too low for them. Okay. Now, what we have here on your green is over your red here. So this here is still looking very, very good. Your RSI here, well, you're looking at the 48. That could go either way situation. But we just have this sideways action. And realistically, you're just trading right now from the bottom, 67.71 on the bottom, and that 50-day on the top here. Okay, so this is basically what we're trading here. So if we lose that, then we know where our targets are. Okay, if we can bust through that 50-day, well, then we know where our targets are there, 100-day, and then your retest situation. Okay, natural gas here. Well, natural gas, let me just big that up a little bit. Oh, wrong way. Okay. There we go. Okay, now we've had the sell-off here. We had a double top situation. Came all the way down here. Now, went below that 21-day, but you notice how it's holding that 21-day on a closing basis, okay? See, this is why you want to trade the chart, because now you say, okay, but even if it goes down there, if you close below that 21-day, then we know we're going to go to that 50-day. But it didn't. It came down, and then it closed back above it very, very nicely, okay? So now, so far today, we have a higher high and a higher low here. So what we want to watch, obviously, is today's high. You're looking at 3.11 level. Then we'll come right to the bottom of this candle here, 3.14. That's going to be very, very key. Then we'll come up here at 3.21. And then this is what you're looking for here is that 8-day at 3.22. So basically what we're doing, we were trading this range here from the 8-day to that 3.56. Okay. Now we're trading here from the 21-day to that 8-day. Okay. So we got to see if it shakes out. If that 8-day, that 21-day there is lost, okay, say the bottom of that, and then we looked at the bottom of that candle up yesterday, that 2.97, and then we can just follow the candles down, okay? 2.94, you got 2.90, you got 2.83, and then here's your big boy right there at 2.80, which is your 50-day, okay? So that's if that's lost. Now, if we crack above that 8 simple moving average here at 3.22, then we can look for 3.27 here. We can come up here to 3.38 and follow the candles, 3.47, 52, 3.56, okay? But right now, we don't worry about that, but I always like to show you where it could possibly go, same way on that downside. But right now, we're just trading that 21-day to the 8-day. This is what you're worried about here today. You just trade this range. When it gets up to that, if it gets up to that 8-day, okay, then we have to see what it does. What is the reaction? Does it blow through and close above? Or does it come right down sideways and then we just have a sideways action kind of thing? Or do we just keep trading this range? Okay, so just trade this. This is not a buy and hold. This is not a buy and short. Buy and long, basically you just want to trade this range here until she breaks up or she breaks down. Now here, this is sitting at 52. That could go either way, sideways. I don't like this here. The green below the red. I'm not saying it can't curl up here, but that's really never good shape. So realistically, I think if this the price gets up to that 8-day, that could be a good sell signal here. We got to see how it shakes out. Now remember, the EIA report on that gas will be out today at 10:30. But watch that OPEC meeting. Any news is going to be big, big, big for the old crude ski. Okay, that's what I got for you. I'll be here back at midday trading, and we'll take a look at crude oil, natural gas, and then whatever else we can dig up and throw right in. All right, thanks for watching.